Careers Zone YouTube channel. So here we will be giving you an regular updates regarding job openings pan India and as well as pan world. So please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video. Job number 61. So in the job number 61, job role will be multiple positions like HR assistant, HR associate and HR recruiter. So 2 lines company name, work from home location this also. So graduate BBA, MBA, 5 days working will be there. 25k to 35k in hand salary they are offering. So you can directly contact to Sonic Jain HR. Okay friends, moving to next job number 62. In job number 62, multiple positions HR assistant, so consultant office, permanent work from home and graduate or applicable 35 to 60k plus incentives they are offering. So you can directly contact to HR Geetika. Okay. Moving to next job friends. Job number 63. In job number 63, you are getting business development executive IT company. So job location will be Mumbai. Requirement 0 to 4 years experience they are expecting. Salary will be 3.5 lakh to 5 lakh per annum. Saptarshi, you can directly contact to this provided email ID friends. Okay. So job number 64, Python developer. So company name will be Elegant HR Consulting. So job location is Pune. Minimum 8 years experience they are expecting and 8 to 15 lakh per annum salary they are offering. And you can directly contact to Himanshu A. Okay friends, we have provided email ID and contact number. So moving to next job. Job number 65. Job role will be business development executive. Company name will be 32 BLT Solutions Private Limited. So job locations is Punjab, India. So requirement 2 to 3 years minimum experience they are expecting. Salary will be 3 to 15 lakh per annum. You can directly contact to Preeti Goyal. Okay friends, moving to